Hello friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about XLOOKUP. In previous videos, we have learned about VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. Now we are going to learn about XLOOKUP. What is the use of XLOOKUP? What is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? So VLOOKUPs working only right side data. For example, if you want to know about the salary of Ajay, what do you want to do? Lookup value. You have to select the data and then give the column index number in the right side. Third column index number, exact match, you will get the answer. So this is the VLOOKUP formula. So we can use the VLOOKUP formula in the right side only. Suppose you want to know who is working in admin department. Who is working in admin department? I will give you the example. Here, name and department you want to know. Okay. So, department. You want to know. Suddenly your boss is asking, who is working in admin department? He don't know his name. So, he wants to know. So, department is admin. Now, you want to know the name of the person. How to do that? So if you are going to use VLOOKUP, lookup value is department. So you can select the department here. You can find out only salary because salary only be in the right side. But you are asking the name. Name is available in the left side. So what do you want to do? You cannot use the VLOOKUP here. So you can use the VLOOKUP Ajay and then salary mean. You can use the VLOOKUP. Lookup value is Ajay. Lookup array is this table, column index number, exact match. So this is restricted to only right side. Now, in this situation, we can use XLOOKUP also. What is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? What is the use of XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP working in left side also. So you can select the data in left side or right side. Don't worry, you can use left side or right side. So now we can use the XLOOKUP now. Please listen. Ajay, what is the salary? What is the difference between VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP? Now we can use XLOOKUP. Please look the syntax. So every formula having separate syntax, then only it is working. So this is the lookup value. Good. What is the lookup array? What is the lookup array here? In normally VLOOKUP, you have to select like this. But he is here asking return array. So what is the meaning that? So what is the lookup array mean? What do you want to look? Lookup value is name. So what is the lookup array? This is the lookup array. Come on. What is the return array? Where do you want to get the return? If it is a name list, what do you want to know? Salary. Then that's all. You will get the answer. Suppose you want to make it the name Mary, you will get the answer. If you want to make it in the name Ajay, you will get the answer. This is the formula XLOOKUP. That is why the data can be in the left side or right side. Because they are selecting only the array column. There is no column index number necessary. Here the column index number exact match approximate is asking. Here that is not required here. Lookup value, lookup array. I am explaining lookup value and lookup array is name array. Return array. What is the result you want to know? Salary. Suppose you want to know the result of other. I can give another example. XLOOKUP Ajay What is the lookup array? Department. And then you want to know the department. Okay, you will get the answer. Ajay, which department he is working? Admin department. Clear? Now you can, I have said already, you can use the left side also, not from right side. Ajay name is the data. We can get the right side data, department or salary. Don't worry, friend. Suppose you want to know the department. Department you have. You want to know the name. What do you want to know? Department is sales. You want to know the name of the person. Suppose you want to know the sales department person, Mr. Who are all working in sales department. Suppose only one sales, for example. So only one sales person, Bala. Bala is the answer. Now you can use the X lookup. X lookup, lookup value is sales. Where is the lookup array? Department. So there is no question of left side, right side. You can go anywhere. And then what is the return array? Where do you want to know the answer? Name. This is the return array. Close the bracket. You will get the answer. So you can use the left side data and right side data. This is the XLOOKUP function. It's very useful, friends. Please use XLOOKUP wherever you want. But we can get the same answer if you use VLOOKUP, but it should be in a right side data. But if you use XLOOKUP, the data may be in a left side or right side. Column index number, identifying column index number, that is not required in XLOOKUP. So I hope you all enjoyed the videos, friend. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.